Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Why do birds sing so early? Early mornings are too dark to search for food, and too dark to be spotted by predators. That makes it the perfect time to sing. As there is less background noise and the air is so still, sound carries around 20 times further than it would later in the day.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Birds will defend the territory around their nests by singing to signal their presence and by chasing other birds away. Birds don't sing to make us happy, they sing to attract a mate and defend their territory.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.